always, our lovely mom over here.
Hello everyone, good to see you again.
Okay guys, well, Happy New Year. Yes, it's the year 2022 and we hope this year is going to be better, honestly. 2021, 2020. Not the best. But yeah, we're all here. So anyways guys, yeah. Well, in case you don't know what to do on this channel and this is the first time coming along the channel, we do cooking. It's just like cooking tutorial, cooking show, anything I got to do with cooking, yes. We do it here. So, well, while you're here, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, yes. The usual. And yeah, that's that. So why don't we get into the main video? Okay, so guys, today we're going to be doing something called fish sauce.
Yes.
Fish sauce. Yes, as you can see, I need something was smelling fishy.
Giant fish.
Get it? A very huge fish, big one. Anyways, our ingredients: you've seen the giant fish, scent leaf, rosemary leaf, spring onion, spring onion again. Okay, and coming to our veggies, most of the veggies still, tomato, fresh pepper, ginger.
No, this is not ginger.
This is ginger.
This is turmeric.
This is turmeric.
Yeah, fresh one. Today I decided to use the fresh one.
You look like ginger.
Yeah.
This.
It's a junior brother to ginger.
Garlic. We have our seasoning over here and salt. Then our tomato paste. Tomato paste. Yeah. No publication or nothing. No advertisement.
But this particular ginger is nice. It has pepper in it. Pepper and onion. Yeah, it's very nice. So.
Okay. That's the basic ingredients. So as you can see, it's not going to be so hard. In less than an hour, you'll be done making this.
Start cleaning the fish. Right back.
Okay, so let's clean the fish.
Hello guys, so welcome back. So this is it. I'm having my fresh pepper here. I'm going to blend it. Just transfer it into the blender. This is my garlic. Put my garlic in it. Then my turmeric. I'm using it fresh. Look at how messy my hand is. I need it because it has this strong this thing that can keep the rolling and uplifting on this of the fish. I don't like fresh fish. I don't like it. Honestly, I don't like it. So I think this will help me. This is my just show them with the knife.
With tomato. Of course, just simple cutting. So that's tomato. And the fresh fish.
Okay,
Can't use it, it's big.
They are coming
Cut it already, so.
to put this thing to season it. So that's why I want to blend this pepper. As soon as I'm done, pour it in there. Then I'll steam it.
Okay, it's time to season our big fish. Okay, we see you learn. See this, see this.
Of pepper.
Turmeric.
Garlic and the
Second
rest.
season. Make it. Sprinkle it.
Add a little salt. Just be careful.
Mommy, I'm always careful.
Add a little
Salt. This one is okay.
I'll take more here. May I put can you imagine? See hand. Clear big. This thing.
It's not going down.
After I will take it out.
Okay.
Just like that. The water is much. Why I'm using much pepper so that no fish. So that I can eat it. It's like that. I could have done this last night, but this morning I just put it on fire. All the same. Okay. So guys, this is it. I'm just mixing the pepper and the mixture. Oh, I'm mixing everything so that while you're eating it to have taste, right?
Yeah.
It will not be. Okay, so please cover it. Please cover.
Okay.
Leave it for fire for
10 minutes.
Yes, 10 to 12
See.
minutes. This is fish. Don't need to overcook.
10 minutes later.
Okay, as you can see, we have fried the fish. Yes. Now, since it's fish sauce, we will have to put the vegetable and oil and put it in the bin and make it like a corn sauce.
This is coconut oil, so we are using coconut oil to make the sauce. So let's put it in the pan. Okay, we are not adding the fish now. It's not now. Hey, be careful! All my hands are. Even my face is hurting me. Permit me to lick my hand, please. Okay. I think this should be enough. I don't like using much oil. I think it should be enough. Take out this. Okay. So this definitely is the onion. Bring the next.
Okay.
This is the onion. He's afraid.
I'm not scared.
You're not scared.
So I should bring the onion. Not I should put it inside.
Let me pour it.
So I should bring it.
Neighbor, start. We are going to pour. Who cut this onion? There?
I only got tomato.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's too. The next thing is our fresh tomato. Cooking is like how would I say? Whichever way, put it. Again, come out. Next thing now, yeah, come out though. Everything come out. Okay. Just turn it like this. Just mix it. Okay. So you add your seasoning. Add your seasoning. Do you remember? Do you know that time we were steaming the Jeff? While steaming the fish, we did not add this
Ginger.
paste. We forgot because while I was blending the pepper and this thing, I forgot ginger is among the. I took the turmeric as ginger,
Yes.
so
Yes.
there's not too late. You can still do it this way. It's not too late. Have your cube. Do you know the difference between stew and sauce? Can you tell me the difference?
Stew and sauce.
Yes.
Because stew is stew and sauce is sauce.
Jeff, why now? Because the stew is stew, sauce is sauce.
It's okay, difference. The spelling.
Oh, not the spelling, the how it will look.
How to look? It look like sauce. Why stew?
Jesus, Jeff, you know be a see, make I tell you. Sauce, as you can see, these things have been cut. Is it chopped? See. You see how it looks. And if this and sauce, make I speak broken. Sauce no dey take for fire. You see? After cutting all these things, you just fry it like this and just it will stay long.
That's all.
That's all.
That's what I said there. It's not.
But na lie, it's not what you said.
What I said.
Then stew go remain for fire so you have to cook it and this tomato if to say na stew you go blend this tomato. Okay. You see am.
It's not that. That's like that. See, it's honest. It's not that.
Hey, just so chef. W. So guys, you leave it for fire for about how many minutes? Maybe 10 to 12 minutes maximum. 10 to 12 minutes, so that
To justify.
Yes, at least it should be a bit cooked. So after that 10 to 12 minutes, I'll pour this the water, fish water, I'll pour it inside it. So you can see the head what? Oh, sorry. The head is still in the pan. I cannot use it because it has too much
Bone.
So that's it. So I'm not using that head. Just the water. Okay. So guys, welcome back. So as you can see, this is it. Sorry, I told you guys before that you wait after 10 minutes before you add the water. I made a mistake, so I added the water before now. So this is after 10 minutes adding water. As you can see, the sauce is ready. Next thing now, you are going to add your fish. This is the fish. Just put it like that. Everything in here. Then stir it. My pot is small. Sorry, manage it here. So this is spring onion. Rosemary leaf. Okay. Then this sauce can go with what? Jeff, with what? Rice?
Yam.
I don't want to do I don't want to eat rice. I'm tired of eating rice.
Bread.
Even what is it called? Agidi. What's agidi?
Agidi. The white thing. That white.
If you are Nigerian, you understand what is agidi. It's like made of corn. Like pap.
It's soft.
Pap, but they will tie it. Once they finish preparing pap, they will tie it in nylon. So I don't know. Please, if you know the name, let me know in English.
So agidi is pap.
Yes, it's pap. It's made of
you
corn.
just put paps and tighten them and that's all.
That's it. You cook it. The only thing you leave it on fire. You cook it into cook well before. It's pap made of corn. Hey, I love my sauce. Oh my God! Look at it. This will be delicious. It goes sweet, eh? It's inviting my neighbors. The aroma is going. guys, see you later. Hello guys, welcome back. So this is yam, boiled yam. I want to use the sauce to eat it. As you can see, it's ready. Jeff, you are not eating this one.
See how life is unfair.
It's life unfair.
I diced and chopped
and
the
cook.
ingredients.
Say and cook. Say so.
And cooked. I was here.
Are you sure? Me, I don't like much. It's okay. Okay. Alright. Please, the cover. Okay. Okay. So, let's taste. Yeah, get your fake. Well, you don't want.
Nah, I think I'll stay. Today I'll just.
Today, just.
I'll stay out.
So, guys, this is how it looks. Come to the end of today.
Second thoughts.
I thought you wanted to hear it.
It's like it's torture, you know.
Please.
Having to do the work and
Please
just watch my
let
mom
me give my
eat.
people. You know, without them, I can never be a YouTuber without them. Thank you guys. I really appreciate. So I'm taking the first. You first.
I first all of you.
So, very stupid. But the frying of fish was not easy. No sense. Because you know, taking out the bones, for boiling it, for frying it. Okay guys. Tell your people you are going. Tell them you are going.
Okay, I'll tell you, I've eaten this afternoon, but I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, you know the drill.
Sorry, please forgive me. You see I'm dressed. I'm so sorry. My iPhone is being messed up. Very, very dirty. So I can't wear it again. So I have to leave it this way. It's not easy doing this work.
Anyways, don't forget to like, share,
chill
comment.
my spirit though.
Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment what you'd like to see us do, or what, you know, just drop a comment down below what you'd like to see us do. And
Please subscribe. It's not easy. See the way I'm sweating. See.
Except for the photo share.
Thank you so much.
Anyways, guys, yeah, that's that. So we'll see you in the next video. Bye.